So today I'm going to show you how to do the formal written method of division. It's all about chunking it into parts of the number that you know within your times tables. If you need to use a times table square, multiplication square, anything like that to support you with this, then that's okay to do that, and I'll send those kind of materials on to support you. Any questions, please do get in touch though. Good luck! So here's the division using the formal method. The question is 97 divided by 3. And you write this in your wee bus stop. You've got 97 underneath and you've got your number you're dividing it by over here, your 3. Now we're going to look at this as individual digits, but you can't forget the value of them. This is a 9, but it's 9 tenths, so it's 90. You can't forget that. But you can look at it at the moment as 3 into 9, which is 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, you're then taking that away, but remember, it's not just 9, it is 9 tenths, so it is actually 90. And you're going to take that whole 90 away, and you're left with 7. 3 into 7, well, it doesn't go exactly, but you know that if you do your 3 times table, you go 3 and then 6. 2 3s are 6. So it will go in 2 times. And then you're going to take away your 6 and you're left with 1. You can't do 3 into 1, so that's you finished, but just remember to record your remainder back up the top. Here's another example. This time we've got 97 and we're dividing it by 4. So again, you're going to look at your first digit here, 97. 4 into 9, it goes 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. But remember, this is in the tens position, so you're not just taking away 8, you're taking away 8. You take away 80 from 97, and you're left with 17. Then you're going to do how many 4s go into 17. So take your 4 times table. 4, 8, 12, 16. That's 4 4s and 16. Record that up there. There were 4 4s in that. You take that away and you're left with 1, and that's your remainder, and you write it up the top.